when winter comes, the wolves come. So, with its flamboyant return, we have the Wolves of Winter Oatmeal Stout from Jack Black Brewing Company. Of course, this is a 5.5% IBUs of 40 and it's a 340ml bottle. So, without further ado, let's check it out. Definitely that dark color. Nice, creamy, almost like a tan colored head. Not much head. Okay, there it's coming now. It's roasty. There's definitely that hint of coffee. There's a bit of maltiness to it. Very dark. I think this is actually almost to the point where it's black. It's that dark. Well, let's try it out. Super smooth. That mouthfeel is something really special. You get that coffee notes, a hint of, you know, the dark chocolate, that caramel notes to it as well. But so smooth. I mean, if I wasn't greedy and wanted to give you more, I would probably finish this in one go. Because it's not that carbonated, it's smooth, it's a sensation to drink. But here it says savoring, of course, but me as a lover of nice, beautiful stouts, this oatmeal stout is up there as one of the best. So if you are a fan of stouts, make sure you try Wolves of Winter. Get them now, if you can, get it now. You know, you would think that it would be very oatmealish, but it doesn't have that taste to it. It's got a fantastic mouthfeel. Definitely feels like you've just had a coffee. A fantastic brew. Thank you again, Jack Black, for all the love. And to the rest of you, have a good week. Stay warm, stay happy. Peace. Oh. Money.